So now that we know how to program patterns into Drumaxx, wouldn't it be a plus if we could save these patterns so that you can later recall them into any project? With Drumaxx, this is indeed possible. In this example, I've already programmed a pattern and now I want to save it. To do this, I simply click on the Option button and select Save Pattern from the pop-up menu. Navigate to where you wish to save the pattern and click Save. To load a saved pattern, again, simply click on the Option button and then Load Pattern from the pop-up menu. Navigate to the location of your desired pattern and click Open, and the pattern will be loaded into the current selected pattern. A quick way, however, is to use the Load Pattern button to the left of the trigger pads. Just one click and you will open the file browser, which will allow you to navigate to your desired pattern. In some cases, you may want to alter a current pattern ever so slightly and use it as a new pattern. Instead of programming a whole new pattern, you could simply copy the current pattern and paste it into another. To do this, select the pattern you wish to copy and hit the Copy Track button. This will copy the entire pattern onto your clipboard. Next, select the pattern bank you wish to paste and click the Paste Track button. Now you will have a mirrored version of the pattern that you can make the slight changes to. There may be a situation where you may wish to only copy one bar of your pattern. You can do this by first selecting the pattern that contains the bar you wish to copy. Next, select the bar that you want to copy with the Bar Selection button. Next, click on the Copy Bar button from the Copy Paste section of the interface. Then, select the desired pattern bank and the bar that you wish to paste a pattern to and click Paste Bar. Lastly, with the Drumaxx plugin, we're going to take a look at some of the output processing that is applied to the kit as a whole. At the very bottom of the interface, you'll find two more audio processors that the audio will travel through before reaching your host application. These two processors are EQ and limiting. The first EQs we looked at in the earlier videos covered the filters that were applied to individual drum pieces. The EQ that is located at the bottom is an 8-band graphic EQ that can be enabled by clicking the EQ button to the right of the EQ controls. This EQ will be applied to the entire kit. Each band of the EQ has a predetermined frequency range that is noted above each of the control knobs. Turning up the knob simply increases the level of the frequencies that correspond to the predetermined frequency of the control being adjusted. And finally, it is possible to apply limiting to your drum kit, allowing you to maximize the perceived loudness of the kit without clipping the audio output. Start by enabling the limiter option. Then increase the level knob to bring up the loudness of your drums. As you increase the level, you may begin to hear the compressor pumping. To even this out, try to adjust the release time of the compressor. If you find that you cannot get rid of the pumping effect, then you may wish to back down the level of the limiter. So, in this video, we took a look at how to load, save, copy, and paste your patterns, as well as applying final EQ and limiting to your kit. Which brings us to the end of these video tutorials on Drumaxx, which you can see is an incredible versatile drum machine and pattern sequencer all in one.